Up for sale today, I got a 1965 Corvette finished in Goldwood yellow with white interior. Not original to the car, but a nice combination to say the least. Loaded with factory options. I'll list them off for you real quick. Wow. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, telescopic steering wheel, leather interior, teak steering wheel, power antenna, AM/FM radio, the tinted windows. It's an automatic, so that was an option in '65, and it's a 327 300 horsepower motor, and power windows too. I think I covered all the options. It's a hubcap car, nice correct hubcaps. I'll walk around the car, show you some of the paint flaws. Paint looks good. I'm trying to think what else. It's been a while since I made a video, and here we go. I'll walk around. The chrome on the car is nice. A couple little paint seams right there. It's probably been painted in a couple touch-ups. It's probably been painted 20 years ago. Looks nice though. Nice driver car, especially with all the options. You get in it and go. Fires right up. And there. The body's pretty straight though. It was a nice paint job. I'm sure when it was new it cost a good amount of money. Nice convertible top too as well. Door panels are excellent. Door jambs are nice as well. Sorry. If you take a second and you like the video and you like my channel, subscribe to the channel. I post videos whenever I get a car, whether that's once a week, twice a week, whatnot. You can see what I have for sale. And if you just like looking at cars, well, what better place to look at than my YouTube channel? So leave a like on the video as well if you like it. I appreciate it. It helps me out. White leather seats. Nice. There's like a little bit of fading in a couple of areas. You know, the dye on the white seats tend to wear off. Nice carpet mats with very nice carpet underneath, not faded. Power windows work. Everything works on the car except the wipers and the air conditioning. Now, lucky for you, factory air is not known to be the nicest thing, so you can replace it with a vintage AC compressor, especially because everything's in there and it'll blow real cold and real nice. Dash is nice, stairs nice, nice teak steering wheel, radio works, nice comfortable seats. They're not flat, overly sat on. Doors close nice as well. Keep moving around the car for you. A little bit right there. Another chip right there. Like I said, it's a real nice driver, especially with all the options, you know. Not many cars came with all the options back in the day, and to find a car that's loaded with those factory options, you know, it's pretty few and far in between. Over here, there's a pretty long seam. There's a chip and a pretty long seam right there. And then there's one about the length of my finger right there. But it is a 327, 300 horsepower. It runs real nice, real smooth, and no hesitations, no issues driving wise at all. The frame and the undercarriage are very nice, detailed, and painted black. That look good. Again, the door jambs are nice. Birdcage is nice. It does, like I said, it does have all the air conditioning components in place and inside the engine compartment. So if you wanted to, you could replace the compressor with no difficulty at all. Console is nice as well. It moves between the gears nice as well. Park, reverse, neutral, drive low. Windows go up and down as they should. It does. It's a really nice color. So 65 is the Goldwood yellow. I believe in 66 it was Sunfire yellow, if I'm not mistaken. And I mean, they look pretty similar. And then there's a little right there. Bonding strips are in place. So it'll be for sale later today. NextGenClassicCars.com as well as eBay. So check it out. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like on the video. Thank you. Sorry, I was focusing on the chip. And I'll fire it up right now, take it around the block, and you can see what the car is all about. And thanks for watching. So here we go. We got the 327 300 horsepower. We got the factory air conditioning, the power steering, and the factory brake booster. And fire it up now. See? Fire it up.